When choosing new windows for your home, it's important to consider how they will perform throughout the year. In a place like Frederick, where homeowners experience a full range of seasonal weather, from hot summers to cold winters, having reliable, adaptable windows is essential. Sliding windows have become a popular choice because of their ability to deliver consistent performance, comfort, and ease of use in changing conditions. One of the biggest advantages of sliding windows is their ability to provide steady ventilation during warmer months. Frederick summers can bring heat and humidity, making proper airflow a priority. Sliding windows open horizontally along a track, allowing one or both panels to move easily. This creates a wide opening that lets fresh air circulate through your home. With improved airflow, you can reduce indoor stuffiness and create a cooler, more comfortable environment. In addition to ventilation, sliding windows also support natural cooling. By allowing fresh air to enter and warm air to exit, they help regulate indoor temperatures without relying entirely on air conditioning. This can be especially beneficial during mild spring and fall days in Frederick, when outdoor temperatures are comfortable enough to enjoy without mechanical cooling. When colder weather arrives, sliding windows continue to perform effectively. Modern sliding windows are designed with tight seals and energy-efficient features that help prevent drafts and heat loss. Double pane or triple pane glass, along with insulated frames, helps keep warm air inside your home. This improved insulation makes it easier to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, even when temperatures drop outside. Energy efficiency is another key benefit that contributes to year-round comfort. Sliding windows are built to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. In Frederick, where seasonal changes can impact energy usage, this efficiency helps lower utility bills and reduces the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Durability is also an important factor when dealing with seasonal weather. Sliding windows are constructed with strong materials that can withstand exposure to sun, rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations. In Frederick, where weather conditions can vary throughout the year, having durable windows ensures long-term performance and reliability. High-quality materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, helping your windows maintain their appearance and function over time. Another advantage of sliding windows is their resistance to weather-related wear. Because they have fewer moving parts compared to other window styles, there is less risk of mechanical failure. This simple design not only makes them reliable but also easier to maintain. Keeping the tracks clean and free of debris helps ensure smooth operation and consistent performance. Sliding windows also perform well when it comes to handling rain and moisture. Properly installed windows include drainage systems that help direct water away from your home. This reduces the risk of leaks and protects your interior from moisture damage. In Frederick, where rain can occur throughout the year, this feature adds an extra layer of protection. Natural light is another benefit that enhances comfort in every season. Sliding windows typically feature large glass panels that allow plenty of sunlight to enter your home. This brightens your living spaces and creates a more open, inviting atmosphere. During shorter winter days, increased natural light can make a noticeable difference in how your home feels. Ease of use is another reason homeowners appreciate sliding windows. They glide smoothly along their tracks, making them simple to open and close. This convenience allows you to adjust airflow quickly as weather conditions change throughout the day. Whether you want to let in a cool breeze or keep your home sealed against the cold, sliding windows provide flexibility. Noise reduction is an added benefit that contributes to overall comfort. With improved sealing and multiple panes of glass, modern sliding windows help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment regardless of the season. In the end, sliding windows are a practical and reliable choice for handling Frederick's seasonal weather. Their ability to provide ventilation in the summer, insulation in the winter, and durability year-round makes them a valuable addition to any home. By upgrading to sliding windows, homeowners can enjoy improved comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term performance in every season.